Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a really easy and quick makeup brush cleaner. The makeup brush cleaner that I'm going to show you how to make is for spot cleaning your makeup brushes, so it can be used daily. It's really quick to use. It'll take only a couple minutes to clean all of your makeup brushes. I've tried so many makeup brush cleansers that are ineffective. They would leave pigment behind on my brushes and they would not even stand a chance at cleaning cream products. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys how to actually make the brush cleaning solution, and then I'll show you how to use it. To make this makeup brush cleanser, you're going to need two basic ingredients, and the first one is baby oil. I found that Johnson's works the best, and honestly you need just a few drops of this. And the second most important ingredient is isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and you can get this at Costco in a 4-pack for about $12. It has to be over 90%. So this one is 99%, and I found it the most effective in the solution that we use. To make the solution, you're also going to need a spray bottle. I got this one from the dollar store, so a lot of Dollar Trees and dollar stores carry empty spray bottles like this for travel. Another thing that I find helpful is this little funnel, also got it at Dollar Tree. So the first step we're going to do is to pour in the rubbing alcohol into the spray bottle container. This is about a 60 ml container. I'm not going to fill it up all the way, and the measurements don't have to be approximate, but if you'd like, you can measure with a 1/4 cup. So I'm just going to fill it near the top. So leaving some space at the top of the bottle just for the baby oil that we're going to be putting in. So you'll want to take your baby oil, and we're going to be putting in 5 drops of baby oil per about 50 to 60 mils of rubbing alcohol. So I just like to take the container and drop approximately 5 drops of baby oil into the rubbing alcohol in the spray bottle. Next, just put on the lid and shake it a little bit, and I will show you how to clean the makeup brushes effectively. I like to use paper towel. It's the best for removing any pigment. You can also get reusable microfiber towels. I've gotten a 2-pack at Dollar Tree, but I do prefer using paper towel. So we'll start off with cleaning a dirty brush. This was just powder that was used to set the under eye, so there is kind of pigmentation you can see there. And what you're going to do is just take your spray bottle and spray some of the solution onto the bristles. Approximately 2 to 3 sprays for these types of brushes is fine. Then you're going to want to massage out the brush on the paper towel. And you can see all the pigments come off onto the paper towel. And you can move to a dry section of the towel just to dry the remainder of the brush. As you can see, the brushes come out nice and clean. I really like this solution. It's very quick and easy to do. Next, I just want to show you how to clean a makeup brush with a lot of pigment in it. Typically, eyeshadow brushes have more colorful pigment to them. So this is a tip that I've found useful when cleaning these types of brushes. So you'll just spray in some of the solution in a clear plastic container like this one. I just got this from Dollar Tree. Again, it's really useful. So just spray in some of the solution in there, and you're going to take your brush and dip the tip of the bristles into the solution. You don't want to dip the brush completely in the solution because the solution will work its way up the bristles anyway. Next, you're going to massage out on to the paper towel, and as you can see, it gets a lot of the pigment off by doing that. and it comes out really nice and clean. This is actually a foundation brush, so I've used liquid foundation on this. You can see it's pretty grimy and dirty, so I want to clean that off. And what I'm going to do is just spray some of the solution onto the brush and show you how it effectively removes cream products. You may have to repeat the process once or twice for cream products, but I still find it really effective. So you can see it's almost all removed from the brush. There's just a little bit in the center here. So I'm going to go ahead and just spray my bristles again and repeat the process again. As you can see, the brush looks so much cleaner. There's no pigment left on it, and it's ready for the next use. I recommend cleaning your makeup brushes after every use. You're going to prevent the spread of germs and anything gross growing on your makeup brushes. Another thing I would suggest, even though you're going to be cleaning your brushes so frequently and almost daily with the solution if you're using them every day, I do suggest deep cleaning your brushes with a baby shampoo and water, just to really deep clean your brushes and really get into the bristles and things like that. If you're using your brushes about every second day or more, I would probably do it every week. Hopefully you have found this video helpful, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.